getting there. It's about midnight now, but we are done. All tied up and ready to go for tomorrow morning around 6. Jesus. Good morning, everyone. For us, 2 weeks has passed now. I went back to the Netherlands and back. First, it's unpacking time, and we've got a lot of stuff to unpack. We'll try to speed it up. Before we're going to clean, I want to show you everything we've done. So, come along. Let's start with the front entrance, which only took us 2 or 3 days. It sounds like a little kitten, which I really hope it is not, but it probably is. En het zijn kleine kittens.
Oh, we hebben huisdier.
Nee. As if the villa itself is not enough to take care of. We'll wait if these kittens are taken care of, and if not, then we'll try to see if we can feed them, and they're cute and all, but then we'll have cats, I guess. Did a little tour. Now we're gonna clean, because everything is getting more packed and packed here, so it's harder to clean. You look lovely in your working clothes, by the way.
Yes. Thank you, thank you.
So the basement is half done. We have done the floor now. The kitchen island is cleaned. The fridge is being cleaned as we speak. Go, babe.
Yes. Almost done.
done. So the last thing to do for today is to get the... No, not the food. Food is after. First, this boy. On our trusted pinky. All right, and with that drawer closed, I'm gonna close today as well. Quite a bit of redesign here, but only now the van is empty so I can drive again. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll continue with a lot more stuff. So see you then. Ciao.
Ciao.
It's 2 hours later and we're still not eating. But this is the last thing I do and then we go shopping for food, I swear. So we have to get the ladder off the roof and then we can finally go. The weather is amazing, by the way, and look at this view. It is quite nice. I say quite nice because obviously this highway is shit, but other than that, lovely.